Hello, this is Ben Ames. I'm senior news editor with DC Velocity magazine, and we're here at MODEX 2024 in Atlanta on day 2. Today we came over to the Noblelift booth to find out what's going on. Today here we have Lauren Swaco, who's managing director. Lauren, thank you for having us.
No problem. Thank you for coming.
To start us off, maybe you could tell us a little bit about Noblelift, what sort of products you make, what you offer to the people at the show.
Noblelift is primarily an electric manufacturing company, electric material handling. We have since added some IC product, but our electrics are geared for the American market, such as the order picker. All our trucks come with a matched battery and charger and all options, so we have very few options. Everything comes. This one comes with lights and fans. The battery is all our products are lithium, and they're all matched before they get here, so there's no adding or subtracting.
And when you say, we talk about those options, that there are a lot of different there's sort of features, but it's not necessarily optional whether they're attached, that they're all included in the model.
They're all included. Most manufacturers offer the fan as an option, a light as an option. We have AI on our equipment. That's an option with everybody else. It's standard. If it's on our product, it's standard. So we bring our product in with all the options available. The only time we might change it is on a truck if you want 32, 36, 48 forks. Other than that, all the optional equipment is included.
Gotcha. Great. And this is one example of the equipment here. Can you tell us about this, and then maybe we'll look at some others?
This is a standard order picker where the man goes up, picks from the shelf, puts a pallet on the forks, goes up, picks equipment, and picks product. It can only operate with the arms down. And we have the pallet grabber is standard. You push it off, release. This one has lights and fans, which you can see. And it's a pretty standard distribution center product.
Great. Thank you. Great. Well, maybe we'll go look at some more options now. And now we're in another part of the Noblelift booth. Lauren, could you tell us about what we're looking at here?
This is a standard reach truck, a pantograph reach, where the forks go out and come in, so you can work in a narrow aisle, high-density storage. Again, this is a lithium product. We only stock our lithium product. This truck goes up to over 400 inches, again, with all the options, lights, fans, etc., everything that the customer is going to need. We also have this in a deep reach, which is a double pantograph. So it goes out twice as far as this one.
Very useful, and that's for those narrow aisles, so it's really maneuverable?
Correct. It'll turn in a tight aisle and still put a pallet away, back out of the rack, and come out of the rack and put in another one or pick up another one.
And now we're at a third position here in the Noblelift booth. Lauren, tell us what's behind us here.
This is our stand-up counterbalance end control, ideal for use on a dock. It's tight turning because the wheels will actually reverse, so you can actually spin the truck, and also great for when the operators get off and on very often during the day. Some people call it a docker, so it unloads trucks and also can work in a narrower aisle than a sit-down truck. Again, all options, lithium battery, everything comes together.
It sounds very useful. So you have all kinds of options for inside, for dock, for semi-outdoor use. You can take this thing all around the warehouse.
No, this all around the warehouse. This is primarily, it's a solid tire truck, so it's primarily for indoor use. You can see it's got a low clearance there, as opposed to another truck, an IC truck, which is outside, has a higher clearance. So it's primarily an indoor truck, just like our order picker and the reach truck that we just saw. Those are primarily indoor trucks.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciated our visit here. We learned a lot, and I appreciate your spending the time with us.
Not a problem.
So, Lauren, as we wrap up here, can you tell folks if they're at MODEX this week how they can find you here on the floor and see for themselves, and then maybe if they're watching from home, how they can find you online?
Please feel free to reach out to me at Nobleliftna.com. That's Noblelift North America, Nobleliftna.com. At MODEX here in Atlanta, we're in Hall B, in booth B2013.
Terrific. This is Ben Ames for DC Velocity. We've been visiting the Noblelift booth, and this has been MODEX Day 2.